This is fit for a Honda Ridgeline 2nd generation. We've outfitted this vehicle with the RockyMount Ridgeline track system. This track system connects to the existing factory connection points. It requires removal of the factory tie down. It is held in place with tamper resistant fasteners. The appropriate tools are included, which is a hollow point Torx. This track is constructed of extruded aluminum with a durable powder coat finish. The compatible bike mounts are sold separately. However, mounting hardware is included. There are 8 total bolt plates and other fasteners to connect compatible bike mounts. This product and the full line of Rocky Mount products are available at rockoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, pricing, and promotions.